In this video, we just work out some basic integrals. For number 1, we have to use this integral rules of x to the nth power. That will be increase the exponents by 1 and over the exponents plus 1. Therefore, you will get 4 times x to the 7th power over 7. This is 6 plus 1 minus 2. Separate from the coefficient, so you get the x to the 4th power over 4 plus 7 times x squared over 2 minus 4x plus c. Remember, here's the rule. If we have c dx, the integral, you will get the cx plus capital letter C. Then we organize, you will get the 4 over 7x to the 7th power minus x to the 4th power over 2 plus 7 over 2x squared minus 4x plus c. Let's go to number 2. For number 2, you have to change into single power form. So you get the x to the 7 over 2's power minus 7 times x to the 2 over 3rd power dx. Then you will get x 7 over 2 plus 1, that's 2 over 2. You will get the 9 over 2 over 9 over 2 minus 7 times x 2 over 3 plus 3 over 3. You will get the 5 over 3. Here's a 5 over 3. Then plus c. For the complex fraction a over b, c over d, you will flip this denominator so that you will get the a times d, b times c. Therefore, for this denominator jump to the top, you will get the 2 over 9 times x to the 9 over 2nd power minus this is 3 jump to the top, multiply 21 over 5 x to the 5 over 3rd power plus c. 9 over 2nd power, you will get 4 plus 1 half. Therefore, if we have x to the 9 over 2nd power equals x to the 4th power times x to the 1/2 power, so that you will get the x to the 4th power square root of x. 2 over 9 x to the 4th power square root of x minus 21 over 5. 5 over 3, you will get the 1 plus 2 over 3. So that you will get the x to the 5 over 3rd power equals x to the 1st power times x to the 2 over 3rd power, which means x times cubic root of x squared. So you get the x cubic root of x squared plus c. This will be the final answer. Now let's go to number 3. You will get 7 over 3 1 over y plus 5 over 2 y to the negative third power, then minus 1. So first step, you always separate the coefficient and the variable. For 1 over y, remember, when you have 1 over x dx equals natural log of absolute value of x plus c. Therefore, you will get the 7 over 3 natural log of y. Remember absolute value here. Then you plus 5 over 2 times. Exponents increased by 1, so you get the y to the negative second power over negative 2. Then minus 1 x plus c. Organize, you will get the 7 over 3 natural log of absolute value of y. Minus, because this 2 times negative 2 will be negative 4 as the denominator. Then it's 5. Y to the negative second power means y squared as the denominator. Minus x plus c. Now let's go to number 4. For number 4, we will change into single power. So x square root of x, we can write down x times x to the 1/2 power, which means x is 1 plus 1/2. X is 3 over second power. Therefore, you will get x to the 3 over second power, 1 minus 4x dx. Integral separate 1 over x to the 3 over second power minus 4x x to the 3 over second power dx. Single power, so you get the x is negative 3 over second power minus 4. Division of a power, we subtract the exponents, so you get the x to the 1 minus 3 over 2 will be negative 1/2 dx. Then your exponents raised by 1. You will get the negative 3 over 2 plus 1 will be negative 1/2. So you get the negative 1/2 over negative 1/2 minus 4 times x. Negative 1/2 plus 1 equals 1/2. So you get the 1/2 over 1 over 2. Don't forget plus c. Then this denominator go to the top, multiplication. You will get the negative 2. X is negative 1/2 power. Minus this 2 times 4 will be 8. X is 1/2 plus c. So you will get the negative 2 over square root of x minus 8 square root of x plus c. Now let's go to number 5. For number 5, same thing, we need to separate into a single power. So you get the x third power over x third power minus x squared over x third power minus 3 over x third power dx. You will get 1 minus 1 over x minus 3x to the negative third power dx. Remember, when you have 1 over x, don't change into single form because you will get the natural log of x. So that you will get the 1x minus natural log of absolute value of x minus 3 times. Your exponents add 1 is negative 2 over negative 2 plus c. Therefore, you will get the x minus natural log of absolute value of x plus negative is a positive 3 over 2 x squared plus c. Let's go to number 6. Which function you do the derivative, you can get the sine x, the cosine x. When you do the derivative, you will get the negative sine x. So for positive sine x, here will be negative cosine x. You will get a negative cosine x. Minus which function derivative you can get the cosine x, it will be sine x. Then e to the x power will be itself plus c. This will be the answer.